Hey everyone, it's good to be back. Today I'm talking about boundaries, setting boundaries in relationships or identifying boundaries that you need in relationships, especially with family members. I've been seeing a theme lately with people I've talked to concerning being able to set boundaries with family members. So in counseling, we teach about 3 different types of boundaries. There are the rigid boundaries, that's like setting them away from you. Maybe you're only dealing with them in a certain part of your life. And there's the more porous boundaries where you're like oversharing, over giving, you're taking on that person's problems maybe. Then there's healthy boundaries. That's kind of a balance between the two. You are concerned about that person's needs, but you also want to prioritize yourself, and you're also being able to share how you feel and what you need in order to be successful. And maybe they're also sharing what they need and you're able to work together. Most of us have all 3 of those boundaries going on in our life sometime, somewhere. Especially if you have kids, sometimes you've had to have experienced all 3 with that same person. So when they were little, maybe you were more porous and giving of your time, giving of your attention. And then as they got more into the teen years, maybe you had to be more rigid. And then as they got towards adulthood, maybe you found yourself being a little more healthy, and it was a little more reciprocal where they listened to what you needed and tried to help with your concerns, and then you did the same for them. But most of us experience all 3. So my tips for today: 1, trust in yourself. Trust your gut. If you think you need to reset a boundary with somebody, maybe you're feeling devalued in that relationship, maybe you're feeling disrespected in that relationship, trust your gut and have that conversation or set that boundary until you feel like you might need to adjust again. The second one, let go of some guilt. You can't be responsible for someone's entire life. To a certain degree, when your kids are little, you have to, but then as they grow older, some of the things they do have nothing to do with you, and you just have to let that go. That's our tip for today. Remember, transform your thoughts, maybe transform your life. Thank you.